Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. Welcome back to the next installment in the thank you for buying me a coffee series. This thank you goes out to Anthony. Thank you so much for the drink, I really do appreciate it. Anyone who buys me a coffee through the link in the comment and video description will get a thank you video, and this, of course, is for Anthony. So, last few videos we've been straying away from caffeinated drinks. We've been kind of going into realms of fizzy drinks. I have found a shop not too far from me, and they've got some wacky stuff in it. So we'll be going through that, I dare say, in due course. But for now, we're going to be heading back towards the arena of caffeinated drinks, and I brought this. This is Golden Eagle. It looks a little bit like a Red Bull knockoff. I've been told by the shop assistant it's all over the Middle East and parts of Europe. It's quite popular, that neck of the woods. I've never seen this before, never heard of this before. But as you can see by looking at it, it's completely full of sugar, and it's also full of all the good stuff, vitamins that everyone needs in their daily diet. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, high amounts of caffeine and taurine. Okay, noted. Bit of an interesting one though. After reading this packaging a little bit closer, we can see it's actually from Kosovo. So is that Kosovoan? Kosovo? I don't know. You probably know in the comments, please, if you know the correct pronunciation. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to give this a go. It comes in the standard same sort of size can as Red Bull, and oh yeah, that's liquid glucose slop. Lovely. I have not drank any of these drinks in vain in many, many years. But yeah, okay, let's give this a go. Wow, the sugar here is instant. I'm going to be feeling that all day. Oh yeah, yeah. I used to neck back these a lot when I was a teenager. Well, not these Red Bulls, but yeah, that is absolutely fine. Should be okay. Should be okay with a Jägermeister. Who knows? But yeah, that's a pass from me. Thank you so much, Anthony, for that. I concede I may go back and buy some more Golden Eagles. Thank you so much. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, you're more than welcome to do so, and I'd greatly appreciate it. All the information on how to do so is in the comments and video description, as previously mentioned. But for now, thanks for tuning in. The usual compilation videos are still running every week on Friday. Next one should be out around 4:30. That's it for now. Thank you so much again, as I say, for tuning in to this video. There'll be another one very, very shortly, as I've had another coffee purchase for me this morning. So keep your eyes peeled for that one, and for now, take care.